Hey everyone, I'm here in my backyard, and this year I'm happy to report that I will get apples. Normally the last couple of years it's been pretty tough, but this year uh, the trees are bearing fruits, so take a look. So on this particular tree, strangely enough, there are two plants that are intertwined, and at this point I can't tell you the two varieties of apples that I have, but so far so good. This tree is about 4 years old, at least since I planted it. Probably had another year or two in the nursery, so maybe around 5, 6 years. This tree has been dropping a lot of apples, and not sure how it's going to turn out. But it could be that just the drought, and I haven't been watering so closely, so it's doing what it naturally needs to do to kind of survive. One final thing, while I do have apples, and it look like in the next few weeks that these will ripen up quite nicely, I have squirrels. And so this is going to be interesting. Last year, in the past, they've made quite a run at the apples. So, well, you just have to share and see how it turns out. But certainly I'm excited that the tree's making progress, and we'll see how it turns out. So we'll end here. I'm starting to enjoy this tree. It's really hasn't grown very tall. I could reach to the top, and I think that's good. And take care, guys, and enjoy the rest of your Sunday, and apple picking season coming up. You see, we have rain is coming.